Could artificial intelligence one day surpass human intelligence? That's a question that has sparked countless debates and discussions among scientists, researchers, and even laymen. As we delve into this captivating topic, remember, we are not just talking about robots and machines. We're discussing a concept that has the potential to revolutionize every aspect of our lives, from healthcare to education, from business to entertainment. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it is more commonly referred to, is not a new concept. It was in the mid-20th century that the term was first coined. John McCarthy, an American computer scientist, defined it as the science and engineering of making intelligent machines. And since then, the field has seen tremendous growth and development. In the 1950s, we saw the birth of AI as an academic discipline. The 60s and 70s brought us the first AI systems, with machine learning algorithms and logic-based systems. The 80s and 90s marked the emergence of neural networks and the concept of deep learning, which mimics the human brain's own process of learning. And in the 21st century, AI has become an integral part of our everyday lives, with applications ranging from voice assistants to autonomous vehicles. However, the evolution of AI doesn't stop there. The future holds far more exciting prospects. With advancements in machine learning and cognitive computing, AI is expected to become even more intelligent and autonomous. It's anticipated that AI will be able to understand, learn, predict, and even function without human intervention. This brings us back to our initial question: could AI surpass human intelligence? While we can't predict the future with absolute certainty, many experts believe that it's a possibility. They argue that AI has the potential to exceed human capabilities in many areas, given its ability to process and analyze data at a speed and scale that humans simply can't match. But it's not just about surpassing human intelligence, it's also about how AI can complement and augment human capabilities. By taking over routine tasks, AI can free up time for humans to focus on more complex and creative tasks. By providing insights from vast amounts of data, AI can help us make better decisions. And by learning and adapting over time, AI can continuously improve its performance and effectiveness. In conclusion, the future of AI is both exciting and uncertain. It holds immense potential to transform our lives in ways we can't even imagine. But it also poses challenges and risks that need to be managed. As we continue to explore and develop AI, it's crucial to do so responsibly, ensuring that it benefits humanity as a whole. So, while we might not have a definitive answer to whether AI will surpass human intelligence, one thing is clear: AI is here to stay, and it will continue to shape our world in the years to come. It is a thrilling journey we are on, full of promise and potential. As we move forward, let us embrace the possibilities, navigate the challenges, and strive for a future where AI and humans coexist.